Match number 4, and that's the afternoon match. Ratnagiri Jets taking on the Raigad Royals. चला तर मग टॉस जिंकलेला आहे रत्नागिरी जेट्स आणि पहिले गोलंदाजी करण्याचा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे रत्नागिरी जेट्स. द प्लेइंग 11, द स्किपर आजिम काझी, धीरज पठांगरे, अभिषेक पवार, दिव्यांग हिंगणेकर, निखिल नाईक, सत्यजीत बचाव, इट्स सिद्धेश वीर, कैप्टन विशांत मोरे, there's रोहन मारवा, मेहुल पटेल, ओमकार राजपूत, मनोज इंगले, विकी ओस्तवाल, brilliant bowling by him, निखिल कदम and Vedant Patil. Siddesh Veer, the opener for the Raigad Royals, the Solapur Royals last year. The skipper, yes, there we go, the wicket keeper, batter Vishant More, Pradeep Dadhe, yes, a lot of discussions about him in the first match in the last season as well. Was a consistent performer. Nice carry there, some extra effort in that first ball.
On the money, with the bounce, trusted it, welcome boundary.
Goes for it again, this time the connection's a little better. Yes, it's going all the way. Shatkar, 6 runs. Skipper, is that a catch chance? Oh yes, first ball duck.
Yes, quite a tame dismissal and tried to check his shot. And very easy catch in the follow-through by Hinganekar. Vishant More has to walk back dejected, disappointed. The score's 12 for 1. Vishant More has gone for a duck.
Mehul Patel going for the big one against the left-hander, and he's connected that well. Is Mehul Patel, and that'll be a boundary. Is it an outside edge? Oh yes, it is. So Divyang Hinganekar
सिद्धेश के कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर गेंदबाजी कराई, ऑस्टम के बाहर, डीप पॉइंट वहां पे था, इसीलिए स्टेप आउट करके वो एक्स्ट्रा कवर की ओर जा रहे थे और वो अतिरिक्त उछाल वहां पे वो काम करता हुआ बड़ी सफलता यहां पे मिलती हुई सिद्धेश को 15 रन बना के वापस पवेलियन जाना होगा 30 पे 2.
रोहन मारवा, the left-hander, at number 4.
Plans as well. Short arm jab this time around. Welcome boundary.
In the air, chance, oh, straight through the 2 fielders there. Mehul was a little lucky, but he's got 4 for that. First ball, nicely chipped over mid-on. Smart batting. Nicely done with the spin, extension of the arms. Beautifully hit. Nicely bowled, and yes, that's a wicket. Oh, that's a typical left-arm spinner's dismissal. Flighting the ball. Mehul there trying to hit across the line. The field placement exactly there for that. What a start this is for Satyajit.
Mehul Patel out for 24.
Rishabh Rathod is the new batter.
हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर ये कैच हो सकता है और बढ़िया कैच लेफ्ट पे जाके भागकर अच्छा फ्लाइट डिलीवरी था. उसके पहले वाला आर्म बॉल था और क्या खींचा है बल्लेबाज को. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी सत्यजीत बचाव की.
And that is where Rishabh Rathod has to walk back out on 7.
Deft touch there by Vicky Ostwal, and the ball will race away to the boundary. A much needed boundary there. 71 for 4. You can put a dent in that confidence, and straight away came to pick up the wicket, looking to lead from the front. The skipper gets into the act as well. It is a fair delivery, Azim Kazi, but it's the catch that is in question. Now when he lands well within the boundary rope, nowhere near it. Great catch there by Vijay, and smart bit of bowling there by the skipper, Azim Kazi. Declaring that was a fair catch, that means out. Marwa departs for 18.
नए बल्लेबाज वेदांत पाटिल, बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज, he's walked out to the crease. And Vicky Ostwal plays that one officially. What's the verdict there? And he's gone.
जी हाँ, दूसरे ओवर की पहली गेंद पे एक और वो सफल था. हल्का सा गेंद घूमा था, इसीलिए टाइम नहीं कर पाए. बैट का बाहरी किनारा लगा और एक वो आसान सा कैच विजय द्वारा. विकी ओसवाल 17 रन बना के वापस पवेलियन 88 पे 6.
The new batter in is Savya Gajraj.
शुरुआत में भी हवा में गेंद ही है. आउट. योगेश चौहान ने उनकी पहली विकेट ली। बहुत ही एवरेज साधारण बैटिंग हो रही है यहाँ पर। फ्लिक कर नहीं कर सकते हो आप, आपको मारना है तो पूरा मारना है। तो ये कैचिंग प्रैक्टिस हो गई है मिड विकेट पर, और योगेश चौहान ने ये पहली विकेट, पहला झटका उनके गेंद से। वेदांत पाटिल 3 पर 91 पे 60।
Manoj Ingle is the new batter. Gay is the call. Another chance. 2 fielders coming under it. And once again, nicely taken. Dheeraj Patangare, the fielder there. We'll see him with the bat later on. But this spell of Yogesh Chauhan ends with a double wicket maiden.
बढ़िया गेंदबाजी पर बल्लेबाजी बहुत ही साधारण। ऐसा लग रहा है कि फील्डिंग प्रैक्टिस हो रही है। उसके पहले भी वेदांत ने जो शॉट मारा था, कोई शॉट नहीं था। और यहाँ पर साविया ने शॉट मारने की कोशिश करी थी, कोई शॉट नहीं थी। और बढ़िया कैच पकड़ा हुआ पतंगरे ने। रवि जिंगर्ड आए एज सब्स्टिट्यूट प्लेयर।
And that's out. As easy as they come. Azam Kazi picks up his 3rd wicket. And this is what Ratnagiri Jets do. What they do is they keep making these bowling changes and keep picking wickets at regular intervals. An easy catch there.
साधारण बैटिंग यहाँ पर। ऐसा लग रहा है कि कैच प्रैक्टिस हो रही है। पिछले 2 बल्लेबाज भी ऐसे ही आउट हुए और रवि जिंगर्ड 0 पे आउट हो गए। यहाँ पर पैवेलियन में जा रहे।
Omkar Rajput is the last man in.
शॉट्स तो आ रहे हैं और ये पहला चौका है। इतने शॉट्स में 3 विकेट्स आई, पर यहाँ पर ये पहला चौका।
Satyajit Bachau comes in to bowl and he picks up another wicket. 3 in the first match, 3 in this match. 103 is going to be the target for Ratnagiri Jets because the Raigad Royals have been bowled out for 102 in 18.1 overs.
For the Ratnagiri Jets in their allotted 20 overs is going to be 103 runs. There we go then. The openers are ready for the Ratnagiri Jets. Strategies made. On the other hand, Raigad Royals. It's going to be Nikhil Kadam, the left arm medium pacer. Oh, swing, yes. The ball was pitched perfectly. Important 6 overs on his leg, and that'll be the first runs. Nicely clipped away over the field at mid-on in the cow corner region. And the Ratnagiri Jets are off the mark. Dheeraj off the mark in style with the boundary.
But this time, Nikhil makes a comeback. Was looking to use his feet, Dheeraj, but great bit of bowling there by Nikhil.
It's going to be Dheeraj who will have to walk back. He's just scored 4 runs. Preetham Patil. Swept well. Baithak Marli Preetham ni.
कुछ इस तरीके से दर्शकों के बीच में लंबा गहरा विशाल वो छक्का।
There it goes again. Sweep again. Baithak again. 4 runs.
Misfield and will get another boundary. मिसफील्ड के चलते 4 रन और इस बारी वो करारा प्रहार उस एंगल का बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया प्रीतम पाटिल ने। Found the gap perfectly, you would say, between the wicketkeeper and first slip.
Comes down the track, connects well, gets 4. He says enough. I won't be standing there. Makes use of his feet, connects well, 4 runs. Nicely connected, 4 more. That's exactly what you were saying, Nikhil bhai. Yes, there we go. Fielder at long on, chance no ways. Straight over him. 6 runs to end the 5th. 52 for 1.
That's in the air. And that's a wicket.
This was wide outside the off stump, trying to play big shot, top edge, caught at third man. He needs wickets. He wants to be back in the Maharashtra team for the Ranji Trophy and T20 and ODIs also. Abhishek Pawar, 19, back to the pavilion, 52 for 2.
Azam Kazi in the first match scored a match-winning 46.
अब बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, ये रुकने वाले नहीं है. मिड विकेट की दिशा पर बढ़िया टाइमिंग के साथ चौका बटोरा.
Pritham continues that attacking instinct, but this time he will have to walk back because that's a brilliant catch in the deep. Manoj Ingle has picked up his second wicket.
Savya Gajraj there in the deep mid wicket. Did a very good job. Good running catch. Well inside the boundary rope. Pritham walks back for 33 of 16. 63 for 3.
Divyang Hingnekar is the new batter. Picked up 2 wickets with his left arm medium pace. Oh, nicely played. All that he had to do was just give it direction. Gets off the mark with that smart boundary.
बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश यहाँ पर. ये बेस्ट शॉट है T20 फॉर्मेट में. कोई फील्डर नहीं होता है.
Nicely cut away. And that will be a boundary to finish this over. We'll welcome Mr. Maninder Singh with that 6. What a welcome to the afternoon. Oh, that's a shot. A reverse sweep for a 6. Oh, charismatic Kazi bringing all the shots in this match. And he gets the gap there with a boundary. Azam Kazi does it for his team. In the previous match, he was the star performer with 46 runs. And in this match as well, an all-round show from him. 28 not out, 3 wickets with the ball. Ratnagiri Jets, the defending champions, win this match by 7 wickets and make it 2-2 in the second season.